What is up, guys? AJ from Straight Speed, and today we have an exhaust for my 2018 Mustang GT, and it is the MBRP catback exhaust. It's the black one, and it's the race exhaust. So it is of the louder of series. As you can see over here, we got the Mustang, and I'm gonna do pretty much an install video of the whole process. So hang in there, and we got this thing on ramps now, and we're about to start ripping it apart when it cools down a little bit. So stay tuned. Right now we are taking the 13 mil bolt. It's hard to see, but we're taking the 13 mil bolts out of the hangers for the inside. Damn, that's hard as fuck to see. And then you got two hangers. Right there. And then you can see the one next to it. Now we're taking the clamps off of the, what is that? These are the downpipes? Yeah? No. Yeah.
No, it's at the cat.
That's the cat?
These are the pipes that go to the cat.
Okay. Anyway, we're taking off the clamps that go from the cat to the where the H pipe's gonna be.
Alright.
We're good?
Yep.
Alright, where are we going now?
I don't remember if we had to take these off or not.
No.
No, because it's the cat. Okay.
Yeah, those stay on.
So we're sliding the exhaust off.
You gotta pull those.
Clamps on, or the...
Yeah, you gotta pull the hangers off, so hang on. Let me set this up. Oh yeah, that bitch is loose! Now you have to get these. Just don't bend the cats.
You're gonna have to grab one side.
One side of what?
The exhaust. I can't do both.
Alright.
Lift it up. And twist.
Pull that bitch out. Alright.
You have to grab this side. Grab the garage.
So, here's the exhaust. Those are the pipes down there. Where are we moving this? It's fucking hot, man. Where's the rag? We have no fucking rags over there.
Go out that side.
Where? Don't hit the car. All right, that's that. Now the sheet's out, we got to take these hangers off. Spray some lube in there. Can't go without lube. Spray all the hangers. And they should slide off once you spray them. Let it sit for a few seconds. Oh, that was fucking easy. Alright, now for the reveal, the exhaust. Boom. The MBRP race catback. Some shit moving around in there. These. Ah. I don't know. We'll see. It's there if we need it. You got your new clamps right here. These are the new clamps. All the black tips. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. What? Oh, fuck yeah. Did they give me decals? Oh!
What's?
Woo! Comes with a decal, baby. You already know where that's going. Focus. Oh yeah, that's sick as fuck. Yeah, no shit.
Where's the clamp?
You gotta put the clamp on first.
I know. Where's the clamp?
It's right here. Here.
See, because look, we can't tighten anything until we push it
I
off.
know, you gotta adjust it all.
Give me the clamp.
Where the fuck did it go? Oh, there it is.
Ah!
Ah! Here. Oh man, it's gonna be so fucking sick. Snug those on. Let me get the ratchet. I was right. Here. You gotta figure it out. Shouts out to Milwaukee. Give me some free shit. By the way, guys, these sway bars right here are gonna be changed out soon too, as well as the sway links and everything. It's probably gonna be next alongside the cold air intake. Alright, move on to the black pipes now. Here. Here's that one. Let me get the clamps out of this bag. These are the clamps for the pretty much what would you consider that? That would be like the muffler, right? Pretty much. Those black pipes. Those black pipes would be a muffler. Pretty much. Anyway, you guys get the gist. It is the clamps and these big old heavies. And then, while we're at it, let's take a sneak peek. Ooh. Oh. Does this have the MBRP engraved on top? Oh, it does. It does. MBRP engraved on the top. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, yeah. Sick. Killing it, MBRP. Killing it. Alright, what do we got over here? Oh. Holy cow, it's hot. We'll do the tips last. Now you gotta make sure you put that hanger back up. This one's harder to see and show you guys, but
Give me the other one.
the other hanger. Here. Now we got this one. Last one. I'm gonna unbox all these tips, get them opened up, ready. Alright. What? It's a mount.
What the fuck is in here?
I don't know. Hopefully it'll blow out. Doesn't seem like it's too much of a concern though. I'm unboxing all the exhaust tips. Huh? What am I going to do with them? I'm going to put them on the exhaust and it's going to make it loud. Super loud. Really loud. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Shouts out to MBRP. I'm stoked to hear this thing. There we go, that's a good view. Now you guys kind of get the gist of where the hanger goes. Hanger goes in here and bolts in literally right here.
Grab me my other one that's longer.
What?
Red and black ratchet.
Shit. Alright guys, so everything's on. We're gonna just put the tips on, and what we gotta do is snug everything down, and then we're gonna go back and adjust what angles and stuff we have the tips sitting at, and then after that it's ready for the cold start. Here we go. Yep. Alright, so tips are on one side. I'll be back when the other side's on, all sized up and everything. Alright, so tips are on. Everything's good. We're going to start it, roll it off the ramp, give it a couple revs, and that's it. Yeah. Might want to get out of the front. Fire in the hole! Yeah, baby. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the MBRP Race Catback Exhaust. I'm going to go get this car clean. We're going to do a couple pulls on the highway. I'll show you what it sounds like inside and outside. Where's the decal? Alright, so make sure you guys go follow my Instagram at Straight Speeds. All the links for everything is going to be in the description. Go follow my Instagram at Straight Speeds. Snapchat is going to be in the description as well. You can catch me doing a crazy stuff on Snapchat. We're going to leave this exhaust here, I guess. But check out the description. All the links will be there for everything you need to know. Eventually, we're going to have a shop open to where you can buy lanyards, jet tags, maybe t-shirts and hoodies, and possibly some hats. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, ring the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so we're in the car. I'll turn the AC off there. We'll give you some pulls here. Small pulls, like only 30 miles an hour. Nothing too big. Here's what it sounds like actually. It's not too bad, honestly. And as you can see, we're only doing 54, 55 miles an hour, so really it's not bad at all. I'm very impressed. You got those crackles and them pops, baby. God. Let's hope nobody gets on our inlet ramp. He's gonna get on there. Alright, so we'll wait until he's out of the way. God, that's so beautiful. We're only doing 55. Speed right there. Fuck. Dude. This fucking exhaust is, oh my god. Words cannot fucking describe. Oh, I pissed an old guy off. Oh, man. Oh, shit, that old guy got so pissed. Alrighty, guys. So that's that. Oh. There she is in all of her glory. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's a wrap.